Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the exercise 3.5. Today we are going to discuss the reducible pair of linear equations. In that, the exercise 3.6 we are going to discuss the exercise 3.6. See students, in the previous questions they are given in the general form of the pair of linear equations in two variables. So directly they are given in the general form. So but here they are not given in the general form, but these equations we have to reducible to the general form, then we can get the solutions. Okay, see the first question, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6 is there. See in that the denominator, in the denominator having a variable. In the previous questions we are discussing that, so the variable having in the numerator, is it right? But here the variable having in the denominator, that's why we have to reducible. How? Very simple. See, 1 upon 2x is there now. See, 1 upon 2x. This one 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Can I write 1 by 2 into 1 by x? It become 1 by 2x. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into x, 2x. Is it right? This 1 by x, we have to take it as one variable, that is called as p. Any one variable you have to take it. 1 by x is p or q or a or except x. Okay, we here already one variable is there. This variable, except you have to take it any variable, a, b, c, d, any variable you have to take it. Okay, like this. So in that 1 by 3x is there. 1 by 3x can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by x. Therefore, so 1 upon 3, so 1 by x is take it as also p. So therefore 1 by 2 into 1 by x, it is become 1 by 2 into p. Understood? 1 by 2 into p. This is called as p. This is also called as p. Understood? And like that, see 1 by y. So 1 upon 3y is there. So in that 1 by 3 into 1 upon y is there. So 1 upon y is called as q. Have to take it. So 1 by y is called as q. Therefore 1 by 3 into q. Do you understand? So like this we have to reducible of the given equations. Let us start it. The first question, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is there, is equal to 2. In that second equation is also same. 1 by 2x 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6 is there. So here also 1 by x is there, here also 1 by x, here also 1 by y, here also 1 by y. So then we have to apply it. Okay. See, let 1 by x as take it as, let 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Okay, so this is 1 by x, we call it as p, and 1 by y is called as q. Any variable you have to take it. See in that, so I will reducible that 1 upon 2x is there. So 1 upon 2 we have to write. So 1 upon x instead of p I will write down whole upon 2. 1 upon 2x. See, I will show now. 1 upon 2x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Is it right? Yes. 1 by 2 into 1 by x is called as p. P into 1 what? P. P by 2. Like that. So that's why I will write directly p by 2. Okay. So next, 1 p by 2. After 1 upon y, we have to take it as q upon 3. So q by 3. Is it right? So plus q by 3, it is equal to what? 2. Next. Second equation, 1 upon 3x is there. 1 upon x we call it as what? P. P upon 3 plus. Next, 1 upon 2y is there. So that's why q upon 2 is equal to, what is that? 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Have you understood? See, 1 upon 2x instead of, I will write 1 by x instead of p I will write. So denominator 2 as it is I write down, and plus 1 upon 3y. 1 upon y instead of I will write q. So 3 as it is written in the denominator is equal to 2, and then 1 upon 3x is there. 1 by x is instead of p I will write down. So 3 as it is in the denominator, and 1 upon 2y is there. 1 by y is called as q. Therefore denominator 2 is there. Have to write like that only, is equal to 13 by 6. Do you understand? So now we have to solve it. See, now observe these equations. In the numerator having a variable, then easily we have to find the p and q value. But after that, when you are finding the p and q value, afterwards you have to substitute the p and q value in these equations, then we can get the x and y value. Yes. Now we have to reduce all that. So 2 and 3 is there. We have to take out the LCM. So p by 2 plus of q by 3, it is equal to 2 is there. Otherwise, I will write here and I will solve it. See, 2 and 3 is there. What is that? LCM is 6. So 3 into p, 3p plus of 2 into q, 2q. It is equal to 2. Now 3p plus of 2q, it is equal to 6 2s are 12. Call it as number 1. Okay. The second equation, 1 upon how much? 1 upon 3x is there. That's why p by 3 plus 1 upon 2y. So q by 2, it is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Now we have to reduce that. So 3 and 2 have to LCM is 6. Okay. 2 into p, 2p. So plus 3 into q, 3q. It is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. So 1 upon 2x, 1 upon 3x. Okay, right. So it is equal to C. 6 get cancel. Easily have to cancel it. So what is the remaining here? 2p plus 3q. It is equal to 13. Call it as number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So here, what is the first equation? 3p. See, look at the first and second equation. P term is there and q term is there. The p and q are never equal. Therefore, we have to make it as equal. That's why the first equations we have to multiply the second equation. The coefficient of p is 2. Therefore, 2. And the second equation we have to multiply the first equation we have to multiply by 2. And then second equations have to multiply by 3 into 3. See, the first equation 3p is there. The coefficient of in the second equation p is 2. Therefore, the first equations you have to multiply by 2, and the second equations you have to multiply the 3 because of the coefficient of p is 3. P is 3. Next, the first equation you have to multiply by 2. So the first equations you have to multiply by 2. 2 into this equation you have to multiply by 2, and this equation you have to multiply by 3. Okay, 2 into 3, 6p. Plus 2 2s are 4q, it is equal to 24. Then 3 have to multiply the second equation. 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q, it is equal to 13 3s are 39. Now we have to change in your signs. So 6p minus 6p get cancelled. 4q 9q is there, the sign will be changed. Different, therefore we have to do subtraction. So 9 minus of 4 will become 5q. The sign is minus. It is equal to, then 39 is there, 24 is there. The signs are different. Again you have to subtract it. Minus of 9 minus of 4 is 5, and then 3 minus of 2 is 1, 15. So minus minus get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 3s are. Therefore q is equal to what? 3. The value of q is 3. Now we have to take out the p value. So from 1 you have to take it equation 1 or 2, anyone. So I will take the first equation. So 3p plus of 2 into 2 means 3. 2 means 3, that's why. And then it is equal to 12. Now 3p plus of 6, it is equal to 12. 3p is equal to 12 minus of 6. Therefore 3p is equal to 6. P is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are, therefore p is equal to 2. Okay, see the value of 2 is 3, value of p is 2, but we have to calculate the x and y value. Now this p and q value you have to substitute the given equations. Okay, see 1 by x, it is equal to p, therefore 1 by x is equal to, what is the p value? 2, therefore 2 into x, 2x is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. You understood? X is equal to 1 by 2, like that. 1 by y is equal to q is there, therefore 1 by y it is equal to, value of q is 3, therefore 1 by nothing is there means 1 is there, 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. So like this we have to solve it. Are you understood? Very simple is there, students. You have to practice in your home. Okay. So I will go to the next question. So second question, what is that? 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and 4 upon root x minus of 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Like that only we have to solve it. See, first okay, 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y, 4 upon root x minus of 9 upon root y. 1 by root x, 1 by root x. Is it right? So can we take it as 1 by root x as a p, and 1 by root y we can take it as q. So 1 upon root x, 1 upon root x, second one, this is 1 upon root x is equal to p, and 1 upon root y is equal to q. Okay. See, 1 upon root x and 1 upon root y, we can take it as p and q. So let us substitute the value of 1 by root x instead of p and 1 by root y as a q. See, 2 upon root x, so 2 into 1 upon root x means what is that? P, 2p. So 1 upon root x is called as p, therefore 2 into p, and then 3 plus 3, 1 upon root y is q, 3q, it is equal to 2p plus of 3q, it is equal to 2. Okay, so like that. Next one, 4 upon root x, so 4p, 1 upon root x is p, plus, sorry, minus 9 upon root y is there, so therefore minus of 9 into q, it is equal to, what is that, minus 1. Okay, see, so directly we have to solve it. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, here p and q term is not equal, therefore we have to make it as equal. So we have to multiply by first and second equations. So the first equation have to multiply by 4 and second equation have to multiply by 2. So 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8p plus of 4 3s are 12q is equal to 4 2s are 8. Then 2 into 4, 8p, 2 4s are 8p minus 2 9s are 18q, it is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we have to changing your signs. Here minus will become plus, minus will become plus, will become minus. Plus 8q minus 8p get cancelled, plus 12q and plus 18q, we have to do additions. How much become 30q? Because same signs, 18 plus 12 it is equal to 30q, it is equal to 8 plus 2 is become 10. So therefore q is equal to 10 1s are 10 3s are, therefore q is equal to 1 by 3. The value of q is 1 by 3. Now we have to find out the p value. Yes, so from 1 or 2 we can take any one. So 2 into p plus of 3 times of q means 1 upon 3, it is equal to 2. So 3 get cancelled, therefore 2p is equal to 1 here, 2p plus 1, it is equal to 2, therefore 2p is equal to 2 minus of 1, therefore 2p is equal to 1. Okay, so the p is equal to 1 upon 2. The value of p is 1 upon 2. Now the value of p and value of q have to substitute the given reducible form. So 1 upon root x, it is equal to, what is the value of p? 1 upon 2, and the squaring on both sides here. So otherwise you have to send to the numerator. So 1 upon root x, the reciprocal is root x, it is equal to, this is also we have to make it as reciprocal. 1 upon 2 is become 2, therefore squaring on both sides, because of here square root is there, we have to cancel it the square root, that's why we have to do squaring on both sides. So what is become root x whole square, it is equal to 2 square, square get cancelled, remaining is x, 2 square is 4, the value of x is 4. Like that, value of y, 1 upon root y, it is equal to q, q means how much? Q here 1 upon 3, okay, that's why 1 upon 3, again have to reciprocate, root y, it is equal to 3, so squaring on both sides, how much become? Y, root y whole square, it is equal to 3 square get cancelled, remaining is what? 3 square is 9, the value of y is 9, the value of x is 4. You understand? Very simple is that. Okay, so I have to practice in the home. Next, question number 4. What is the question number 4? See, 5 upon x minus 1, here also x minus 1. You have to observe these two equations. The new denominator, what is in the first equation, the second equation has the same term is there. We want to it. Next, 1 upon y minus 2, 3 upon y minus 2. Here also denominator having y minus 2, here also denominator having y minus 2. So, you have to left the constant term. You need not worry about that. See, this one, 5 is there, you have to leave it. So 1 upon 5 into 1, 1 upon x minus 1, 6 into 1, 1 upon x minus 1. So 1 upon x minus 1, 1 upon x minus 1. But we have to take it as p. Then 1 upon y minus 2, here also 1 upon y minus 2, we can take it as q. Okay, let us. So 5 upon x minus 1 is there, whole upon 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to p, and 1 upon y minus 2. Okay, 1 minus y minus 2 is equal to q. So now we have to substitute that 1 upon x minus 1 is as a p and 1 minus y minus 2 as a q. See, in the numerator 5 is there, so therefore 5p. So 1 upon x minus 1 as a p, in the numerator 5p. Then afterwards, okay, 5p plus 1 upon y minus 2 as q, plus q, it is equal to, what is the constant term, is equal to 2. Okay, the next second equation, 6 upon x minus 1 is there, therefore what you have to take it as 6p, so minus 3 upon y minus 2 is there, therefore 3q, it is equal to, what is the constant term here, is equal to 1. Okay, so now we have to, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and p and q term is never, the no one also becomes equal, therefore you have to multiply. Q term is there, you have to make it as equal, very easy. This one you have to multiply by 3 and this is 1 is the coefficient, you have to multiply the second equation. See, 3 into 5, 15p, plus 3 into q, 3q, it is equal to 6. 1 in the multiply model, 6p minus of 3q is equal to 1. Now, already sign are different, therefore you need not to change the sign. Therefore, plus 3q minus 3q get cancelled. What is this? 15p and 6p, it becomes 21p. Is it right? 21p is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, 7 1s are 7, 3s are. Therefore, p is equal to 1 upon 3. P is equal to 1 upon 3. Like that, q. So, from 1, so 5 into p. P means 1 upon 3. Okay, plus q, it is equal to 2. Therefore, 5 ones are 5, 5 upon 3. Okay, 5 upon 3 minus 2, it is equal to, plus q has, as it is written, 2, and 5 by 3 I have to send the RHS, it becomes 2 minus 5 by 3. So, therefore, q is equal to, so LCM is 3. So, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is 1. So 1 upon 3. Q is equal to 1 upon 3. See, LCM is 3. 3 to 6. 6 minus of 5 is 1. 1 upon 3. Directly I will write it. Okay. So therefore Q value is 1 upon 3. Now, the value of P got it and Q is also got it. Now I have to substitute the reducible form. Therefore, 1 upon x minus of 1, it is equal to, what is the value of P? 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Now I have to cross multiply that. X minus 1 into 1, x minus of 1, it is equal to 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus 1, therefore x is equal to 4. Okay, like that. 1 upon x minus, y minus 2, it is equal to q. What is the value of q? Q is 1 upon 3. Q is also 1 upon 3 and p is also 1 upon 3. Therefore, y minus 2, we have to cross multiply that. Y minus 1 into y minus 2 into 1, y minus 2 is equal to 3 1 is 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 5. The x value is 4 and y value is 5. Very simple. Okay. So next. next question number 5. We will take it as question number 5. See, 7x minus of 2y whole upon xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7y whole upon xy is equal to 15 is there. See, first this xy is there on denominator. This denominator is applicable for 7x also and 2y also. Okay. For example, here, so 3 plus 5 whole upon something 7 is there. Yeah. So first of all, before going that, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 is there. Is it right? 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 3 plus 5. The denominator is same, numerator or add, addition the numerator, correct? When the denominator is same, add the numerator or subtract the numerator. But they are given in this form. They are given in the sum form. That's why we have to split it the each term. So 7 have to divide it from 3 and also 5. Therefore 3 by 7, 5 by 7. Like that, xy is divided to 8x and xy is also divided to 7y. 7x is also xy is divided to 7x and 2y. I understood. So like this, you have to split it the separately. Yes. First you have to split it the term 7x minus of 2y. So therefore 7x whole upon xy minus of, correct, 7x minus of xy minus of 2y whole upon xy. 2y whole upon xy. It is equal to 5. Okay. The next second equation is like that only. 8x whole upon xy. 8x whole upon xy and then plus 7y whole upon xy. Plus 7y whole upon xy. It is equal to 15. Okay. Yes, 15. Yes. Now, see students, so x get cancelled, y get cancelled. X get cancelled, y get cancelled. What is the remaining? 7 by y minus of 2 by x. It is equal to 5. Okay. 7 upon y minus, see, this is the original equation, after splitting that. So after that, 7x whole upon xy, x get cancelled, remaining is 7y minus y get cancelled, 2 upon x is equal to 5. Like that, x get cancelled, remaining is 8 upon y plus 7 upon x. 7 upon x, it is equal to 15. Okay. Now you have to 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q. Same. Okay. Now see, 1 upon y, so 7 upon y is there. Therefore 7 y, 1 upon y means q. 7 q minus of 2 into 1 upon x means p, 2p. It is equal to 5. Next, like that, second equations, 8 upon y, therefore 8q plus 7 upon x means 7p. It is equal to 15. Okay, so call it as number 1 and this is called as number 2. Now, see students, here p and q term is not equal, therefore this multiplied by p term, 7 is there in the second equation, coefficient is 7, therefore you have to multiply by the first equation, and then coefficient of p in the first equation is 2, therefore you have to multiply by the second equations. Okay, now 7 sevens are 49 q minus 14p, it is equal to 7 5 is 35. Like that, 2 8 is 16q plus 14p, 2 7 is 14p, it is equal to 15 to the 30. Okay, now, yes, minus 14p is there, plus 14p, already cancelled each other because of already signs are different. You need not to become signs are never changing that. So 49q and 16q is there. So what we have to do? Additions. So 40 and 10, 50 plus 9, 59, 65. So 65q, it is equal to, so 35 and 30, 65. Therefore 65 also 65 1 there. Therefore q is equal to what? 1. The value of q is 1. Next, like that, p value. So what is the from 1? 1 not 2. Anyone have to take it. I will take from 1. So first equation what is that? 7q. 7 into q means what? 1. 7 into 1. So minus of 2p, it is equal to 5. Therefore 7 on the 7. So minus 2 we have to send that to the RHS. 5 become minus 5 is equal to 2p. 5 minus 7 minus of 5 is equal to 2 is equal to 2p. 2 to 1s are, therefore p is equal to what? 1. Therefore value of p is 1, value of q is also 1. Now we have to substitute the equation number. So the reducible form, what is the reducible form here? 1 by x upon p and 1 by y p upon p is equal to q. So 1 upon x is equal to p is there. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to 1 and 1 upon y is equal to q. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. So I have to cross multiply it. Okay, that's it. The value of x is 1 and value of y is 1. Do you understood? So next, I will show the last question. Remaining questions you have to solve in that exercise. So question number 8, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus of 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. See students, in that two equations you have to observe the first term. See here denominator 3x plus y is there, here also 3x plus y is there. We have to take it the any one of the variable, and 3x minus y is there, here also 3x minus y is there. You can take another variable. So now consider 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p, and 1 upon 3x minus y, 3x minus y is equal to q. Okay. Now I have to apply that 1 upon 3x y instead of p, 1 upon 3x minus y instead of q. See 1 upon 3x plus y instead of p plus 1 upon 3x minus y instead of q, p plus q, it is equal to, what is the constant term here? 3 by 4. Okay. Now we have to cross multiply that. 4 into p, 4p plus 4 into q, 4q, it is equal to 3, alternative number 1. Next second equation, 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y is there. So therefore p upon 1 upon 3x plus y is as it has p, and denominator what is there here? Constant term is 2 minus p by 2 minus 1 upon 2q. Sorry. Q upon 2. 1 upon 3x minus y is there. That's why I will write as q. In the denominator 2 is there. I will write as it is. It is equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 upon 8. Now we have to take out the LCM for the denominator. 2 is the LCM. So subtract the numerator p minus q is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So you have to cancel it. 1 for 2 ones are 2 4s are. So you have to cross multiply that. 4 into p, 4p minus 4 into q, 4q, it is equal to minus 1. So correct as number 2. So solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. See, what is the first equation? 4p plus 4q, it is equal to 3. Second equation, 4p minus 4q, it is equal to minus 1. Is it right? 4p plus 4q is equal to 3 and 4p minus 4q is equal to minus 1. See, the two term already, signs are different. Sign already different here. Already cancel for plus 4q and minus 4q get cancelled. 4p plus 4p, 8p, and 3 and minus 1 it become 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Therefore p is equal to 1 upon 4. The value of p is 1 upon 4. Like q. So from 1, you have to take out the first equation. 4 into 1 upon 4, p value is 1 upon 4 plus 4q, it is equal to 3. Therefore 4 gets cancelled. What is that? 4q, it is equal to 3 minus 1. Then 4q is equal to 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Therefore q is equal to 1 upon 2. The value of p is 1 upon 4, value of q is 1 upon 2. Now, this p and q, we have to substitute the reducible form. So 1 upon 3x plus y, it is equal to, what is the value of t? T means 1 upon 4. Now we have to cross multiply that. 3x plus y into 1, 3x plus y, it is equal to 4 ones of 4. This is called as number what? 3. Okay, next, like that, 1 upon 3x minus of y, it is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. Q means what? 1 upon 2. So again we have to cross multiply that. See, 2 into 1, 2, 3x minus y into 1, 3x minus of y, it is equal to 2 ones are 2. So this is part number 4. Now again solve the 3 and 4 equations, then you can get the x and y value. Okay, see, solve 3 and 4 equation. Okay, for what is the third equation? 3x plus y, it is equal to 4. And fourth equation, 3x minus of y, it is equal to 2. See, in that y term having a different sign, so easily we have to cancel it. Plus y minus y will cancel, and 3x plus 3x it becomes 6x. It is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore 6 ones are 6 ones are. Therefore x is equal to what? 1. The value of x is 1. Now we have to calculate the y value. That's why we have to substitute the 3 and 4 equations. So from 3 I will take it as from 3. So what is the 3? 3 into x means 1 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus of 3. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore the value of x is 1 and value of y is also 1. Are you understood? So like this we have to solve the x and y value with a reducible pair of linear equations. Are you understand, students? You have to practice in your home. This type of question they are asking for 3 or 4 marks questions. Okay, so like this you have to solve it. Okay, thank you.